让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。来不及了，来不及了，要吃饭来不及了。
饭菜
Boom, tat, exactly. All right. We're teaching you this month how to say not enough time or not gonna make it. Boom, tat, that means 来不及。所以有的时候，比如公司啊，然后终于找到一点时间要吃饭啊，然后又说等一下又要开会啊，来不及就要扒饭那样子。好，我们来听一个这样的对话。Let's hear a conversation where you're still eating, but a meeting is coming up and you don't have enough time to finish your meal.
我開飛嚟哦，
按家個，我係父唔齊食飯嚟。
記住開始，將食飯好嘞。
就是建议說開完會再吃就好了，對不對？啊，萬一這個會一開就3個小時哦 ，no，
那就別吃了。
哎呀，對啊，對啊。All right, let's break it down one by one, all right? Because someone's about to have a meeting and someone is still in the middle of their maybe bento or their meal, all right? 要開會咯，the meeting is about to start.
我開飛嚟哦，
我開飛嚟哦 ，OK， 開飛 that means
開會
meeting, okay, having a meeting, 開會。這麼快啊，我還來不及吃飯呢。So soon, I don't have enough time to eat.
按腳哦，
按腳哦，
我和父唔齊食飯呢。
我和父母茶吃飯呢。
我還來不及吃飯呢。
父母茶就是我們這一個月教的來不及吃飯。
吃飯
eat, all right? 所以這個人連開動都還沒開啊，來不及啊，現在連開始吃飯，
然後人家就跟他講了。
對，好，那就開完會再吃吧。Well, just eat after the meeting.
記住開始，
記住開始，
將食好嘞。
將食後嘞，就是開完開始 that means after the meeting, OK? 那就開完再吃吧，就是要
再吃吧。
對，沒錯。Let's break it down one by one and learn some of these words and vocabulary like a meeting or to have a meeting, 開會。開飛 so soon, 這麼快。
按腳哦。
按腳哦 and then to eat, 吃飯。吃飯 Right, 這講吃飯我就會餓了。那我們先聽完這個對話，然後我們再去吃飯，好嗎
？OK， 我開飛嚟哦。
按家個，我和父唔齊食飯嚟。
記住開始，將食飯好嘞。
希望大家喜歡收聽我們的節目哦。And that does today's Practical Hakka。
師母大家，
漢子說張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.